यू आर लिविंग इन अ ट्राइब और उसमें दो ग्रुप्स है। पहला ग्रुप द गैदरर्स, इनका काम है कि ये जाके सराउंडिंग एरिया से कुछ भी उठा के लाएं, एनीथिंग यूजफुल फॉर द ट्राइब। इट कैन बी एनीथिंग, बेरीज, फ्रूट्स, लकड़ियाँ, झाड़, कुछ भी, एनीथिंग दैट कैन बी यूज्ड and can be useful for the tribe. And there is the second group, the hunterers. These comprise of the highly strong and wise men. Their task is to go out and put their lives in risk and help to provide for the tribe by hunting big animals, by scouting big areas around their tribe to see if there are enemies or other predator animals which will come to hurt them. Their job is to protect their tribe. और जब ये लोग अपनी लाइफ रिस्क में डाल के जाते हैं ना, तो ये लोग ये नहीं सोचते हैं कि आज हम लोगों ने कुछ अच्छा करा है, नहीं, वो लोग ये सोचते हैं कि आज हम सरवाइव कैसे करेंगे। दे फील द मोस्ट स्ट्रेस्ड एंड मोस्ट अनकंफर्टेबल व्हेन दे गो आउट, एंड व्हेन दे रिटर्न होम इन वन पीस टू देयर फैमिली, they feel so grateful, so happy, so fulfilled, unlike those weak little men whose job is to be the gatherer. Who would you want to be? Would you want to be the gatherer or the hunter? If you want to be something in your life, the tribesman is the perfect example. आपको क्या लगता है कौन से ग्रुप की ज़्यादा इज्जत होगी ट्राइब में, हंटरर्स की या गैदरर्स की? अब अगर आपने इन दोनों में से एक भी चूज़ करा है, दैट इज़ हाउ योर पर्सनैलिटी इज़। अब अगर आप हंटरर चूज़ करते हो, मीन्स यू आर अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, willful and responsible man. If you are a gatherer, that means you are someone who needs support and dependence in their life right now because you are young. But if you grow up and start to lean towards the hunterer, that means you are growing up. And that is how these people grew up. First, they were gatherers. They were small, weak little children. Then they started to train, become strong, become huge, and then they become the hunterers to protect the tribe, to help them win and make their areas large, get them big foods to keep them full, to keep them fulfilled. और ये चीज़ आज मॉडर्न टाइम पे भी काम करती है। इफ़ यू वांट टू बी समथिंग, यू नीड टू थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. If you want to be the one who provides for the family, who provides for your loved one, you need to think big, you need to do big, but it will not be easy. I'm telling you this, it will not be easy. It will not come as easy. You need to sacrifice things, you need to lose your sleep. That is not a good thing to do, but it must be done. It's okay if you are losing some sleep and achieving big things. It's okay for a phase of your life. If you are in this season of your life where you are working very, very hard to make something better or make yourself better, that is okay. Lose some sleep, do some task, and then sleep, wake up, repeat those tasks. From the starting, when we were tribesmen till now, we lived in a tight community and we are still living in a community. And in this community, if you are not the one providing, then you will not be valued. अगर आपकी वैल्यू नहीं है, you will feel so guilty of yourself. And if you are in this situation, don't worry, just pick a task that will make you feel confident and work on that thing for next 3 to 6 months without thinking about any other thing. Just pick a task and it can be anything. It can be mentally, physically or financially. Just pick one task and complete that task in the next 3 to 6 months. एक गोल सेट करो, इट कैन बी एनीथिंग, getting a better job, becoming someone who gets better marks, or becoming physically fit. Just work on that thing for the next 3 to 6 months, putting your head down and working like a dog every single day. And when you will be on that path, when you are doing this thing for the 3 to 6 months, you will start to forget everything. You will start to feel better. You will start to feel confident. क्योंकि इस प्रोसेस के बीच में आप ये भूल जाते हो कि आप खुद के बारे में किस चीज़ के लिए गिल्टी थे, बिकॉज यू आर नाउ इम्प्रूविंग एंड इम्प्रूवमेंट का सबसे बड़ी पावरफुल चीज़ यही है, यू फॉरगेट हाउ वीक यू वर बिकॉज यू आर गेटिंग बेटर. जस्ट डू वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू यार. Don't think about anything unnecessary. Just do that thing for the next 3 to 6 months. And when you will complete that thing, when you are at the end of that, and when you look back, you will feel so grateful for yourself that yes, I started this. I started this journey and I reached the end of it. And I am so happy and fulfilled for myself. That is how the hunters felt. So, in this video, you learned how to be a hunterer, not a gatherer.